How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can deploy a website on Render. So the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, head over to your Render dashboard. And from here, just click on New, click Static Site, and then you want to simply connect your GitHub. Now, in order to do this, of course, you need your GitHub account. So I'll just click on the Authorize Render option. It will then prompt me to my GitHub account. Of course, let's proceed by clicking on Install. It will then allow us to confirm this by typing in our password or the code that we will receive. From there, it will then prompt you to your GitHub repositories. So just simply select the repository that you want to publish. In my case, I'm going to be choosing my static web page right here that I've actually made last year. Now from here, just name your project the way you want to. In my case, I'm naming this static web page, and you want to choose your publish directory. In my case, since I'm publishing from my repository, I'll just type dot right here. So let's proceed by clicking on the deploy static site, but of course you have additional options if you want to tweak those. Now to proceed and to make the tutorial faster, let's just click on the deploy page, and from here it will actually start to build my page. So let's just wait for this to finish. And then it will prompt you with this message saying that our site is live. So let's just navigate through our site by clicking on this page, and then we can actually see our web page right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.